So in this chapter on inequalities, we are going to see a particular given numerical. Amina wants to use RM48 to buy X watermelons and Y apples. It is given that the price of watermelon and price of apple is RM8 and RM2 respectively. The number of apples is at most 4 times the number of watermelons. So keep a word I on at most. At most is the maximum you can do. We have to write two linear inequalities other than x greater than equal to 0 and y greater than equal to 0, which represents this situation. That is given for 2 marks. We have to draw a shaded region to satisfy the system of linear inequalities. And from the graph, we have to determine the maximum number of apples purchased and minimum and maximum number of watermelons purchased by Amina if she buys 8 apples. So condition has been given in this case. So question is very lengthy, 2 marker, 3 marker, 4 marker. So the first equation which comes in is 8x plus 2y should be less than equal to 48. Amina has 48 RM, x apples, cost of x apples, 1 apple is equal to 8, so 8x. Y watermelons, cost of watermelon is 2, so 8x plus 2y should be less than equal to 48. Because she has maximum 48, she can spend less than or equal to 48. And the number of apples she can buy at most was equal to 4 times x. At most is maximum. You cannot be more than this value. So it should be less than equal to 4x. So this is the second equation. Y is less than equal to 4x. If you try to take y is less than equal to 4x, you get such a graph, the shaded region. This is the part y is less than equal to 4x. And if you take the part of 8x plus 2y less than equal to 48, you get a straight line and you will get this particular region, less than region. If you combine both the graphs, you will get this graph. So the required inequality satisfying both the equation will be this triangle. We will try to see the answer for maximum number of apples can be purchased. The maximum number of apples is y, that is 12, when she can purchase 3 watermelons. In the question, it is given that you have to plot a graph of y is less than equal to 4x. So when you want to do that, first you can take the fact that is y is equal to x. Y is equal to 4x. So y equal to 4x will be a straight line graph. And the moment you try to make it less than equal to, then the graph will be less than equal to, this shaded portion will come into picture. Further, it has been given that you have to plot a graph of 8x plus 2y less than equal to 48. So in the equation 8x plus 2y less than equal to 48, put the value of x equal to 0. If you put x equal to 0, then y will become equal to 48 divided by 2. So 48 divided by 2 will be equal to 24. Somewhere here it will come. And if you put y is equal to 0, then 8x is equal to 48. 48 divided by 8 will be equal to 6. Somewhere it will come. And it is less than equal to. So all the portion below will be coming in this case. You can see over here the blue part is for 8x plus 2y less than equal to 48. Let me click this particular point to show you the fact. What is the point which is there? 0, 24. We had put here the value of y to be equal to 0, y x equal to 0, y is equal to 24. Similarly, when I put value of y equal to 0, I get the point equal to x equal to 6. and if I get a straight line and it is less than 48, so all this particular part. The another point which is there over here is the 0, comma 0 part will be there. The maximum number of y-axis represents the number of apples and x-axis number of watermelons. So the maximum number of y under this graph will be equal to 12 when x is equal to 3. That means the number of maximum apples can be purchased is equal to 12. At that time, the number of watermelons will be equal to 3. Y represents the number of apples, X represents number of watermelons. Furthermore, it has been given that when the number of apples purchased is equal to 8, apples purchased equal to 8, what is the minimum number of watermelons and maximum number of watermelons can be purchased? So you just take a point 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 somewhere here. So I just draw a horizontal line y is equal to 8. At this particular point you can see that at y equal to 8 the x value minimum will be equal to 2. That is when 8 apples are purchased there will be 2 watermelons you can purchase. Further to that, when 8 apples are purchased, maximum 4 watermelons can be purchased. So these are the two important things. When 8 apples are purchased, maximum 4 watermelons and minimum 2 watermelons can be purchased. Maximization of the curve comes over here, that is the value equal to 3, 12. So 12 apples and 3 watermelons can be purchased. That is the maximum which is there. So this is also sort of a maximization problem which is more normally used in case of management courses to maximize the given graph. I hope you have understood this particular graph, but of course in your exam you have to draw it in the paper. Thank you.